Hello my dear students, Assalamu alaikum. A very good afternoon. This is Ali Liaquat, your assistant teacher of American, British, Canadian International School. So how are you my dear students? Hope all of you are very good and very well. And I'm fine too by the grace of Almighty Allah. But it's true that all over the world people is not good and very well because of COVID-19, especially children. They cannot go outside, they cannot play with their friends, they cannot go to their favorite school. All day long they are staying at their homes. They are feeling bored, tiredness and gloominess. That's why my dear students, I'm making this video so that you can reduce your tiredness a little bit. This video is made for the students those are grade 1 and KG1 based on their lesson. So today I'd like to talk about how to understand word problem for addition and subtraction. So my dear students, hope you will stay tuned with me until end of the video. So are you ready? Now let's start. So my dear students, our today's topic is how to understand word problems for addition and subtraction. Now let me explain what is addition. Addition is one of the four basic operations of arithmetic. The others are subtraction, multiplication, and division. Addition is the action or process of adding something to something else. Let me write. Addition is the action or process of adding something to something else. To something else. So what is the addition? Addition is the action or process of adding something to something else. Even we can say addition is the process of calculating the total of two or more numbers or amounts. So if I ask you what is the symbol of addition, yes, you are absolutely correct. Addition symbol is plus. Addition symbol is plus, and plus sign is used to denote an addition. Usually you have problems in understanding word problem because you do not understand whether they have to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication or division in the question. So let's see word problems in details. Start with addition word problems. So first of all, we should know additional keywords. What are the additional keywords? Additional keywords are total, in all together, combine, sum, add, plus, more than, or increased by, etc. By this keyword, you can understand easily that the question is all about addition and you have performed the addition is this question. Therefore, if in the question it is asked to you, you find the total value, you find the in all, you find the altogether, combine, etc. like this, then the question is all about addition. Now let's check an example. Example is, Joy bought an apple for taka 10 and a chocolate for taka 3. Now find the total money spent by Joy in buying two items. I'm repeating it. Joy bought an apple for taka 10 and a chocolate for taka 3. Find the total money spent by Joy in buying two items. So my dear students, look at the first sentence of the question very carefully. What are you seeing? Yes, it's giving us the information of the products. What are the products here? Apple and chocolate. And what's the second part? Second part is find the total money spent by Joy in buying two items. So which one is the keyword here? Can you find out? Total is the keyword here. Now the total cost of the items will be the total cost of apple and chocolate. Do you understand? Yes, the total cost of items will be the total cost of apple and total cost of chocolate. So guys, we can write it like this. Apple cost, what's the apple cost is here? Apple cost is taka 10 and chocolates cost is taka 3. Do you understand? Very good. Now do the sum. But before doing it, what sign should we put? Yes, definitely we should put a sign, and this is plus sign. Now guys, how can we solve this problem? All the time in math we should start from the right side. Now look at the right side number. There are two numbers here, 0 and 3. And what's the top number? Top number is 0 and bottom number is here 3. So 3 plus 0 is what? Yes, very good, you are right. 3 plus 0 is 3, because we know that whenever we will add any number with 0, that means it would not be changed. Now come to the left side. What's the top number? 1. Is there any number here? No. So just write the number 1 here. So my dear students, the final statement of this question is what? Yes, the final statement of this question is the total money spent by Joy in buying 2 items is taka 13. Now let's move to the subtraction word problems. Subtraction word problems are a little bit more difficult than addition word problems. First of all, we should know about subtraction. What is subtraction? Subtraction is an arithmetic operation that represents the operation of removing object from a collection. When we subtract the number of things, is the group reduce or become less? So what is subtraction? Subtraction is the process or skill. So we can write it. Subtraction is the process or skill of taking one number or amount away from another. So subtraction is the process or skill of taking one number or amount away from another number. So what's the subtractional sign? Yes, subtraction sign is minus. Subtraction signified by the minus sign. Now let's get started with the subtraction word problems. So we should know what are the keywords. Subtraction keyword is how much left, how much more, which is less, or find the difference, etc. These all are subtraction keywords. So question can be asked you how much left, find the difference, how much more, like that. Now let's check it in details with an example. Let me read it. Faisal had 27 marbles. He lost 10 marbles. So how many marbles had he left now? I'm repeating it again. Faisal had 27 marbles. He lost 10 marbles. How many marbles had he left now? Total number of marbles is 27 and he lost 10 from 27. Now that means he has lost 10 quantity of the total quantity. So how much is the portion left or marble left right now? If I make a circle, that means is the total amount of number or total amount of marble. I can write here, this is 27, I mean total amount. Then what's the question? He lost 10 marbles. This means I can cut 10 from the total amount. So this is, I can write here, this side is already being lost. This is lost side and this is total amount. Okay, so when we subtract the lost item from the total item, then we'll get the remaining one. So the total amount is 27 and lost amount is 10. So what are the remaining one? This side is the remaining one. Now come to the point. What is the keyword here? Keyword is, can you find out? Can you find out here? Yes, keyword is left, because in subtraction keyword we got left. That means left is the keyword here. So whenever in the question word left comes, that means you have to do that one subtraction. Now let's go solve the problems. What's the information of the first sentence? Information is Faisal had 27 marbles, and second statement is lost. So lost amount is 10. Lost amount is 10. So we can write it like this: total number of marbles 27 and lost number of marbles what? 10. Yes. So what's the question? Left number is what? So we can write here left number is, we'll find out right now. So what's the sign of the subtraction? Yes, subtraction sign is minus. That's why we are putting the sign before the number. Now let's solve. Look at the top number. Top number is 7 and bottom number is here 0. So can we take 0 from 7? Can we take? Yes, we can take 0 from 7 because 0 is small number and 7 is big number, and in subtraction we have to take the small number from the big number. So we can take 0 from 7. So if we take 0 from 7, what's the number left? What's the number left? Yes, 7 minus 0 is 7. Yes, I told you in addition that whenever we will add any number with a 0, that means number would not be changed. And same thing here, whenever you will minus 0 from any number, the number would not be changed. Now come to the left side. Top number is 2 and bottom number is here 1. So 2 minus 1 is what? 2 minus 1 is what? 2 minus 1 is 1. Very good, you are right. So what's the answer? What's the answer here? So left number is, so our question was how many marbles had he left. Now Joy had 17 marble left. So our answer is 17. Now, so my dear students, whenever you will read the question, try to find out the keywords in the question, then take a decision. Is it addition or subtraction? And if you have any difficulties regarding this lesson, please put your comment in the comment box. And I'd like to give you a big thank for being with me. See you again in my next video. Until then, everyone stay well and stay safe at your home. Assalamu alaikum.